Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix lock screen widgets not working in iOS 16. If you try to add widgets and try to customize your lock screen and it's not working for you, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So firstly guys, you have to make sure that your apps are updated which you want to add on lock screen widgets. Here as you can see guys, here are the apps like Chrome, Facebook, Gmail, Google Messenger or Snapchat, because you can add these apps as lock screen widgets. That's why you have to update your apps from the app store, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And once this there guys, then you have to open setting and then you have to locate for touch ID or password or face ID or passcode. Here you have to put your passcode and then you have to scroll it down and just simply go to allow access when locked option, and make sure that your lock screen widgets toggle is turned on, and after that check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if once it is there guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to go to your lock screen again like this. Now I'm going to customize my lock screen from here like this. Here I have to put my passcode like this. Now tap on customize and just simply you have to remove your recent widgets from your lock screen and try to add new one, and make sure that if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do is just simply you have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. And if the bounce is there guys, then what you need to do is just simply open settings, and guys you have to scroll it down and locate for privacy and security, and make sure that your location is turned on, because some widgets as like weather asking you to turn on your location service. So you have to turn on location service, and after that check whether the form has been fixed or not. And if once it is there guys, then you have to open setting and then scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down all the way, then tap on transfer reset, tap on reset. Now tap on your reset network setting, and from here just simply you have to reset the network setting. Okay guys, just simply tap on reset network setting. This will delete all network setting, returning them to factory defaults, and after that maybe your problem will be fixed. And if the response is there guys, then what you need to do is just simply open setting, and at the last make sure that your device is up to date. If your device is not up to date, then it's not working for you. So you have to update your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.